Nail polish mo pa siya?
Nail polish?
No, this is my polish.
How is your customer
No,
doing?
itsu yun.
Itsu yun.
Oh, what?
Then this is it.
What more?
Ano pong kulay po gusto niya?
And your makeup.
O
May-
sige po.
This is
Milk tea
this
po.
is your nose.
Ito po. Milk tea po. Ay, sisi.
Oh.
Ay, mo po po. Ay, mabubog ko.
We need always stir this one. This is your sink.
Po natin.
Water sting.
This that.
Tigkakalong sting lupa.
Yung pang ano, stingray.
And this is your haircuts.
This is for haircut. I'll see you over there.
Is this a bangs? Bangs?
Yes. And this is eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Oh my God. I have eyebrow already.
Kaya kahit tanggalin mo, hindi matatanggal.
And we need some lipstick powders.
Lipstick powders?
Nagpatato pa po talaga
Okay, no,
sila.
no, no.
Yeah, that's real. Ma! Nagpatato niya, oh.
Comic.
Eyeliner.
What? What is that?
Ma!
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner?
Yes. And this is real.
This is real. This is real.
That is a real tattoo.
How much I pay you?
You must cut mama's hair.
No, 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 no. That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough now.
Oh.
Open your eyes. Ta-da!
Tada.
How much? How much? How much daw yung Minnie Mouse?
Ha? Ha? Sili.
Wait a minute.
Marites.
Ma, ito po.
Magkano daw bayad ni tita? Ay, ni Mau.
Ano yung $5?
5 days. Mama, may I borrow 5 days?